Hi everybody, it's Stephanie from Two Farleys on the Fly. And so the last 3 weeks prior to this new RV resort that we are at, we were at Ponderosa up north from here. And while we were there, I had some pretty bad water pressure coming from the sink only. The bathroom sink and the shower, they're perfect. We had perfect pressure. But in the sink, there was, such a minimal amount of water. It was a little bit ridiculous. And so I wasn't sure what it was, and I thought maybe, being a new RVer, maybe it was because there was something with the water pressure hooking up outside of the RV. Because at Ponderosa, we had never had this problem prior to Ponderosa. So I kind of just dealt with it and never even mentioned it to Kent or, worried about it too much. And then we get to this new RV resort down here, and it's still happening. But I still don't say anything because I'm just like, well, we're RVing. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices. I thought maybe that this was just kind of a way of life in RV, not really that big of a deal, but literally I probably could turn on the water, and I'll show you here in just a little bit. I probably could turn on the water, go for a 5-mile walk, and still not have the sink filled up. So this morning, Kent decided that he was going to be a sweetheart of a Jim, and he was going to do the dishes for me this morning. And that's all it took, ladies. Literally, that's all it took. And now he is on a surefire, hell-bent hurry to get the sink fixed. So he did all of these. Let's keep in mind, not very happy and complaining. No, actually, he did okay with it. But it was kind of funny because he was complaining quite a bit about the water. So here we go. That's full blast with the water. And
turn on the
okay,
cold too.
And that's cold. Those are both of them full blast going. And so this is something I've been dealing with for 3 weeks now. And Kent does the dishes or runs the water one time. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a done fixed deal. So he's going to show you hopefully how to fix this problem. Because I'm pretty sure that it's only right here in our sink, because like I said before, the bathroom sink and the shower is working perfectly. There's no other issues anyplace else except for here. So wish me luck, ladies, that I can have some good running water here pretty quick. And let's also hope that once he tears everything apart, he can get it back together again so I can have some running water. Okay.
I'm Kent, Steph's husband, and yes, I did all those dishes. I wanted to explain kind of what I think is going to be the main problem is. A lot of these faucets actually have a water saver inside it, and the screen and the water savers get clogged with minerals. It's very typical. It's a very typical problem. However, with this faucet, it's a little different, and I'm a little concerned because I may have to take this apart. On the top that could have a filter, and if that be the case and this is a solid unit, I may wind up ruining my sink altogether and be able to have to buy a whole new one. So anyway, I'm going to take this apart and see if it's not this problem, because the water is working good in the bathroom and outside in the faucet spigot out in the RV part. There could be, and I'm not 100% positive, a filter that is full in the RV that we're not aware of. So I'll have to do a search on that. Hopefully it's just this problem, because this will be an easy fix. And it looks like, come close, when I really inspect it, it looks like this actually can be removed. It has a little edges right here. A lot of times they have a little screw that you can take it off. And I didn't notice those little edges. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. So It'd be wonderful if it had a screw here, then I'd know I'm really safe. But anyway, wish me luck. When I get this apart, I will show you what it looks like and we'll test the water. Once again, take a look. There is our water pressure. Yeah, when I was doing these dishes, at least I had an hour break before I had to do them because... So anyway, I'm here with this wrench right here, and I'm going to try to put it on this and see if I can get this screen or this filter off. It's maybe... Oh... You know, these are just made really inexpensive. And that's not going to work. So I do have... And the old trick is lefty loosey, righty tighty. So there we're turning it left. And it is turning, which is kind of exciting. And by the way, instead, I saw a couple videos and looking at this just to make sure I got my thoughts together. And I saw a lot of people actually tear apart the whole faucet, get into the drain, dropped it all. And there's just not a lot of sense doing that. You want to test the easiest part first and then go from there. So that's what it looks like. It actually looks dirty. And what's nice about it right now, I can actually turn on this water and see how the pressure is. So it looks like, look under here, you see how that was shooting just a little bit? Underneath here is another filter. That's probably my pressure part. And I'm going to have to probably take that out to see if I can get that clean. And hopefully that'll be easy.
Well, that's exciting.
But it looks like that is part of the problem. A lot of times you can push these out when you get it. Yeah. Looks like it's almost built up some kind of a
mineral buildup in there or something.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to explore a little bit more. Take this apart and do a little exploring, and then I'll tell you more of what I found.
Turn that water back on, because that's exciting. Look at how much pressure, baby. Woohoo!
Yeah, you know, after looking at this, it actually looks like it's made that way, which is kind of goofy. But that is definitely a lot more pressure.
Well, don't turn the water on too long. We don't have any hookups.
That's what it was before. Let's see if we can clean this out.
Okay.
So, hey guys, it looks like it's definitely this filter. The frustrating part about this is usually you can pop this screen out. Looks like your water saver's inside here and it's all built up. That being said, this looks like a full unit. I tried pushing on it, even tried tapping on it, and it didn't work. So we're going to probably have to buy, if they have those. Looks like I have a little ring right here that I may be able to take a screw, and it may unscrew right here, but it's definitely, you can see all the little junk inside there, so it's definitely clogged in there, and we know that because I turned on the faucet and it worked a lot better.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's just a mineral buildup. You really can't get away from it. All bathrooms and in the homes have the same problems. It's kind of weird. So hey, thumbs up. Actually, it looked like the screen on the water saver was caught all the goop. So all I did was actually blow on the part right here. Blew out the goop and the little pebbles. Then I flipped it upside down, ran the water on it, trying to push it through, then blow it out, and look what we have.
Yay!
It's actually, oh, and the water's still warm. So the exciting thing about this is I'm going to let Steph finish up the rest of the dishes. Anyway, again, this is Kent at Two Farleys and a Fly. Hope you enjoyed this video. It saves a lot of time first checking this before you tear apart your whole faucet. and unhook the hoses and try to figure out things. That was a 10-minute fix, and I didn't have to buy a new faucet.